Nissan Qashqai 2013, and I need to do a service reset. So, ignition on. We need to go through the settings till we get through to settings. Turn until we get to, is it the maintenance? Click on the maintenance, so it's saying service. Hold it down, service reset, push it in, service due, confirm. So that must be done. Service due in 18,642 miles. I'm going to turn this off, turn it back on. So that must be done. So the ignition's off, the ignition's back on, and she's done. She's done, she must be done. So there's now no service light on. So that's how you reset the service warning for Nissan Qashqai, and this is a 2013 model. Thanks for watching.